The default setting is for formulas to automatically calculate in Excel. This tutorial will show you how to make Excel formulas calculate automatically if this setting has become deactivated. Start MS Excel and load a sheet with some information. Here you can see some price information about some simple goods and a total row utilizing the sum formula. Normally, when we change one of the values, the total will change as the sum formula will update it automatically. Here we can see that this is not happening even when we change a value to 100. To enable the automatic calculation of formulas, you need to click on the Formulas tab in the main menu. From here, you need to go to the Calculation area and click on the Calculation Options icon. In the drop-down list, click on the Automatic option. As formulas will now be calculating automatically, you will see the total column automatically adjust to a larger number as the sum formula takes into account the new figures. From this point on, all formulas will calculate on their own, and that is how to make Excel formulas calculate automatically.